Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can put emoji in any video easily. So if you want to edit your video and put emoji in it, you can easily use a CapCut, KineMaster and any a video editor application that you have or you want to install for your Android. But right now I want to show you how you can put emoji in any video by CapCut. So you can download and install CapCut. It's free, and also there's a pro version if you want to spend your money in it. In order to join pro, you can enjoy all the service of the CapCut PC version and mobile version. Let's start the so you can start new project, or if you already had your project you can tap it now. Here I already made a small and also add text. Right now I want to put emoji. All you have to do is just tap text, and you can tap stickers. Here make sure you have a good internet connection, or you can add text in order to turn on the keyboard. Here we go, this is the keyboard. Now you can tap on emojis icon, and here we go, you can add your favorite emoji into the video. So you can try to edit position, and also you can try to add animation. Here you can tap your emoticon and tap on animation, and so on. So feel free to try to add emoji into your project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.